Divide 620 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 22. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 0 and it is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 620 divided by 4 is 155. So this much for today and thanks for watching.